Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting proof and decisions so editing is quick. Gather 3-5 portfolio files, your resume, and 2 testimonials. Once done, sign into Upwork and open your profile editor. Make sure to choose the right title that matches client search intent. You should set an initial hourly rate based on current market rates and your experience. Keep answers concise for overview fields. These first actions reduce friction later and make detailed edits feel straightforward and decisive. You now refine the heart of your profile: headline, overview, and skills. Start with a focused headline containing 2 keywords and your role, then write a client-centered overview that explains who you help, how you solve problems, and what results you deliver. Once done, add your top 3 skills and any certifications so filters pick you up. Make sure to upload portfolio items with short captions showing outcomes or metrics. This combination raises relevance and improves match rates. You finish by completing administrative fields and publishing. Upload a professional photo, verify location and identity if required, and fill employment and education sections. Once published, check the profile completeness meter and aim for 90% or higher. That increases visibility. If your profile is declined or sections are flagged, read the short rejection note, remove or rephrase the flagged content, and resubmit with clearer examples or permissions. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.